Hello guys, hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. Do watch and comment for the videos. So as per the need of our viewers, I have added one more part of semantic analogy. So if you have missed the part 1, I'll give the link in the description box and click on the link and watch the video, okay, which covers the basic. Now I have added 30 questions related to types of analogies in this video. So I want you to try it by yourself, and in the remaining part of the video I have discussed those questions so you can cross check with it, okay. So try to solve by yourself, and each question is of different type, okay. So let us see. So I will pause the video for every slide for 5 seconds. So you can pause your video while watching the video and try by yourself and check with my answers, okay. So here is the first set of questions. It is based on number analogy. Next is letter analogy, okay. Next 10 set of questions. Next is word analogy, okay. So we are done with all questions. I want you to pause the video and just try, okay. So let us start with some questions, before which I'll just give you an idea. Analogy is nothing but question will be given. There is a logic behind the relation between the numbers or words. Using the same logic, we'll have to find the other pair, okay, and using the 4 option. So in number analogy, just remember first to find the difference, then ratio, square, cube. If these 4 things doesn't suit, go for the next option, okay. Then try to find the relation. See, I have chosen variety of questions, so you will get an idea like how all you can find the relation. See, 7 is to 85. Similarly, what is to what is the question. Here, if you find the difference, it doesn't work out. Then ratio doesn't work out, square, cube, everything doesn't work out. So what you will go for the next. See, 7 square plus 6 square is 85. See, the number square plus the number below it, which is 6 square. When you add both, you get 85. Similarly, check for the option. The option D, which is 8 and 113 is the right answer. The logic is 8 square plus 7 square is 113. So this is how you have to find the logic. It is quite difficult, but still. See, next question. 7 is to 48. Similarly, 12 is to what? We know 7 into 7 is 49. So somewhere we can find the relation, right? So 7 into 7 minus 1 is 48. Try the same logic here. 12 into 7 minus 1. No, that is not the answer here. 83. There is no option. So that is not the logic. So just think 12 into 12. The same number, right? 7 into 7 is the same number. So 12 into 12 minus 1. 143, get the answer. Yes, there is an option 143. So you can choose that. See, 563, 635, 894 and what? See the options. Almost I think you can get the idea, the logic behind it. That is, don't go for any difference finding or ratio or anything. Just see 563. The same numbers are repeated in the second part, but their numbers place values change. Use the same logic. So you get the answer as 948. Okay. Next, 41 is to 4. Similarly, 37 is to what? So here, if you subtract or ratio find ratio, you cannot get the answer. The logic is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Similarly, 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Okay, get my point? Next question, it is quite easy. See, 11 to 16, find the difference, it is 5. So if you check for the option, the only option whose difference is 5 is 13 is to 18. So that is the answer. 144 is to 23. Similarly, 169 is to what? 144 is nothing but 12 square is to 23. 13 square is to what? Okay. So the logic is, see, when you subtract 23 from 144, you get 121, which is nothing but 11 square. So they have given as 12 square and next you will get it as 11 square. So our question is 13 square. So next we have to get as 12 square. So when will we get 12 square? 169 minus 25 is 144, right? So 25 is the option. 19 is to 361. Similarly, 66 is to what? 19 square is 361. So 66 square is what? Find it. You will find the answer as 4356. Next question. 23 is to 506. Similarly, 12 is to what? See, 23 into 22 is 506. So try for two options. That is 12 into 22. You will get some other answer, but that is not the option. So just see 23. Next number is 22, right? That means below number. Similarly, 12 into below number is 11, right? So 132. Yes, that option is there. So choose that. And see this question, if you see it, you will think like it is too big and it is very tedious to solve. But actually, the logic behind it is, when you add all the numbers together from left and right also, you will get it as 30. Okay. So check for the number which have the value as 30. So when you do so, you will get 9993 and 8886 as 30. Okay, so that is the option. Next question, see, this is one type of question. 1 into 10 is equal to 9. This is quite easy, see. So 1 into 10 is nothing but 10, right? 10 is equal to 9, 20 is equal to 18, 30 is equal to 27. That is, they have followed right hand side all the whole table of 9. So 8 into 10 is what? So 80 is equal to nothing but 9 into 8. That is the logic, right? So 9 8s are 72. So 72 is the answer. So I hope you understood these questions, right? So we'll go with letter analogy. Based on letter analogy, you'll just have to know the place value of letters and also their reverse order. Okay. Within that you can find. Okay. See G and the second set of letters you see G and H. Next letter, so obviously S and next letter would be T. Okay, A and X, which means X plus 3 is equal to A, or A minus 3 is equal to X. Similarly, I minus 3 is equal to F. 3 letters before is F. So check for the option. Only one option you have as TF. So obviously that would be the answer. If you want, you can check with the other letters too. I hope you can stop here. Okay. Next question. See, 11 is to go. Similarly, 14.5 is to what? See, this is nothing but go. G letter. Letter G's value you write it down, and O's value you write it down. When you add, you get it as 22. 7 plus 15, which is 22. So they have given us 11. So 22 divided by 2 is 11, right? So follow the same method. For this question, I'll see. I'll just give you a hint. See, C and F. There are only 2 letters gap difference. K and M next letter. I and T few letters. L and P quite a big distance. So choose that option and try and see. Okay, so 9 plus 20, their place values, which is 29. So previously we did divided by 2, same you follow, which get as 14.5. So LP is the answer. See, in this question, just the reverse order, right? ELIMS. So when you reverse it, you get a smile. So KRAPS, when you reverse it, you get a spark. Okay. Next question, AFGO GBPH. Similarly, this is what? See, you write it down in this vertical form. You can find the first position, next letter is in the second position. Okay, so follow the same order, you will get as IDNG. Okay. See, in this question, this type of question, second part C, first letter should be small, then 2 capital letters. From that itself, only option 4 is left. So choose that. See here, U and S is 21 by 19. So K and R is how much? U's value is 21, place value. Similarly, S is 19. So K's value is 11 and R's value is 18. So 11 by 18 is the answer. See next, C is 16. Similarly, E is what? C, we know its place value is 3. So, 16 is nothing but 4 square. So, next value square. So, E's place value is 5. So, next value is 6. 6 square is 36. So, 36 is the answer. See, bank is to something, idol is to what? See, when you write it down, you can find the relation. Okay. So, DAMK is the answer. Okay. Next question, B, D, F, H, J, L, and P. When you write it down, if you see the one letter is left between them. B, C is left, D, E is left, F, G is left, H, I is left. So after X, leave one letter. Y, so next letter would be obviously Z, right? So only option is third option, Z, B, D, F. So you can directly choose that. Next, art is to BSU, MRV is to what? So just see first and second set. A, B, R, S, T, U. So M, obviously next letter is N. R, next letter is S, V, W. So NSW is the answer. So I hope that you understood. Next is word analogy. Guys, remember you have to know synonyms, antonyms, direction, then a study about all these will cover in word analogy. So you have to be quite good in English, okay? Then you can solve these questions. At times it would be easy, but at times you find it difficult, okay? So I have chosen some variety of questions. We will see it, okay? See, butterflies is to lepidopterist, which means lepidopterist is a person who collects butterflies. So same logic, you will have to find the option. So the option is B, deltiologist. Deltiologist is a person who collects postcard, okay? Next question is based on direction. See, south is to northwest. Similarly, west is to what? So draw the direction diagram. So you'll find from south to northwest, it is a movement in anti-clockwise direction 135 degree. So similarly, move from west towards anti-clockwise direction 135 degree. You'll get it as northeast, okay? Next question, train is to track. Similarly, what is to what? So just understand what is the logic. That is, what is the relation between train and track. Train moves in track. Similarly, the option is truck and road. Truck moves in road, right? See, car and four-wheeler, if you see, car moves in four-wheeler, no. Aeroplane moves in flight, no. Car moves in speed, no. So the option is truck, road. Next question, chickenpox is related to virus. In the same way, ringworm is related to what? The option is fungus, okay? Next question, Pascal is to pressure. See, this is unit. Some units you have to know. That type of questions also you will get. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Is hectare the unit of volume? No. Speed and temperature? No. Joule and work? Yes. Joule is the unit of work, okay? Next, see, actually this question is quite confusing. See, time and seconds they have given. Actually, seconds is the unit of time. By the place value, see, actually if it is seconds is to time, then that would be also the right option, okay? Next, room is to house, which means room is a part of house, okay? Pedal and rotate, no relation. Student study, no. Car steering, actually yes, if steering comes front and car is next. So the only option is needle and clock. Needle is a part of clock, okay? Next, see, this is what I told you. You have to be good in English. Eloquent is to inarticulate. Similarly, obsolete is what? Eloquent means a person who can speak good, okay? Inarticulate means a person who cannot express his idea, okay? So what is the relation between them? Opposite is given. So obsolete. Obsolete means who is not or who is not known to new things, okay? So current is its opposite. So that is the option, okay? Next, wood is to door. Wood is nothing but, door is made of wood, right? So wood is the raw material for door. Similarly, clay is the raw material for statue, okay? So option is 3. Next question, seconds is to time. Similarly, what is to what? See, seconds is the unit of time. Similarly, ohm is the unit of resistance. If you check for other options, it is all wrong. So, ohm and resistance is the answer. the last and the final question. See, warm is to hot. Similarly, what is to hilarious? See, warm and hot are nothing but the degrees of heat. Okay. See, warm means somewhat heat. Hot means it is extreme. Okay. Similarly, dash is to hilarious. Hilarious means extreme amusement. Okay. Amusing. Okay. So, amusing is the option, which is lesser than hilarious is amusing. Okay. So, I hope you understood the type of questions you can get in your exams. So, practice more questions. Definitely, you'll able to solve this kind of questions easily. Okay. These are variety of questions. Sometimes it may be very easy for you to solve. So let us hope for good. Okay. So practice more questions, and thank you for watching, and keep watching. Thank you for all the support given, and keep supporting. And I have added so many videos related to competitive exams in my channel, so you can watch and do comment. Okay. And if you are in need of any video, do comment. I will try to cover it up in the next sessions. Okay. So thank you.